What's up, guys? This is Mike here. I'm coming to you from a lovely day here in Epcot Center, inviting you to join me on a friendship from the beginning of the World Showcase, the port of entry, over to Morocco, and we're gonna take a boat ride. It's beautiful. Let's go. Taking a look at Morocco here. Some of the walls came down from yesterday. And a lot bigger area here to walk through. On our way back to the pass holder lounge. I don't quite think it's open yet, but this has all been opened here. Very cool. So the pass holder lounge is not open until 12, so we're gonna skip it, but this is an amazing piece of architecture back here in Morocco. Wow. right here in Epcot. It's beautiful. I gotta take one last look at Flower and Garden, how beautiful it is. Absolutely amazing. It's kind of hard to believe they're not gonna have a festival for almost 3 months until Food and Wine. I think that starts August 29th, if I'm not mistaken. And always saying goodbye to Epcot is pretty tough, but we're coming back in a few weeks for Tiana.